Today we are going to learn about safety equipment used in wood industry. As we all know, for working in industry, safety is first. Today we will see some safety equipment that used in industry. Number 1, safety shoes. This is must in every industry, and it protect our toes and fingers. Number 2, safety helmet. It protects our head. Number 3, safety mask. While working on shop floor, we must use this. It protects our inner system from wood dust. Number 4, safety glasses. It protect our eyes from wood particles and chemicals. Number 5, safety gloves. It protect our hands while doing rough work. Number 6, earmuffs. While working on machines or working in heavy sound, we must use this to protect our ears. Number 7, earplugs. While working on shop floor or working in low sound, we must use this to protect our ears. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates.